Come with us on this relaxing, chill sea day aboard the Carnival Jubilee XL class ship as we check out tea time. Just a few things about tea time. Tea time is 1 hour long. Tea time is on sea days only. No reservations are required. Tea time is first come, first served. Food items vary from ship to ship. It may not be offered on every cruise, but make sure you check the day and time on the app or the fun times. So we are here for tea time on the Carnival Jubilee, and this is held in the Atlantic restaurant. So the first little dish has come. It's like a marble cake. That's it. We noticed that the pieces are getting smaller. The next little tea time appetizer is, of course, the salmon on a little bread that I absolutely love. When you have the drink package, you get upgraded varieties of tea. Like this is the white coconut cream that I have. They had a Egyptian chamomile, they had a mint green, and they had an Earl Grey and an English breakfast. So these are the upgraded teas. If you don't have the beverage package, you'll just be offered a Lipton tea or just the green tea. The next one that was offered to us is chocolate cake. See that? Chocolate cake. So the white coconut cream tea is really good. You can taste the coconut, and with the sweetness of the chocolate cake and the other cake that they gave us, you really don't need sugar in this. It's really good. That's the chocolate cake right there. Okay, that is really good. That's good. And then with a sip of the white coconut cream tea. Now that is a good combination. No thank you. So this is the salmon, y'all. Let's try it. That's good. It's nice, it's fresh. It's a good little bite.
You want a spoon?
No, thank you. You want a spoon?
Yeah, I want a spoon. Thank
Want me to
you.
get one, please?
Nah, I'm good. So I got the scone with the clotted cream. That's what they say it is. So let's see what it tastes like. Oh. This biscuit's hard. This biscuit's harder than me. The cream is good, but that biscuit, I probably could bust in my head with it. So, how was the tea time here on the Jubilee?
I like the white coconut tea. That was a good treat.
Right.
Especially with that chocolate cake. It was a nice blend. You don't need any sugar or anything with it.
No,
So.
you don't want these things. So we got a macaron now. I'm gonna pick this up with my hands, y'all. See? Let's see what that tastes like. Oop. Okay, that's falling apart. Usually macarons have like a chewy texture all the way around. I don't know if they're stale. I don't know if it's stale or not, y'all. I've had better. I'm not crazy about that. So how was your tea time here on the Carnival Jubilee?
I enjoyed the chocolate cake, and I enjoyed this white coconut cream tea. That was really good.
So what are you giving it on a scale from 1 meaning the worst, 5 being the best?
And now, as you asked me about the overall experience,
I'm talking about the overall tea time.
I'm giving it a 3.
A 3 out of 5?
Yes.
Okay, so where have you had your best tea time on a carnival ship?
Probably Venezia.
So y'all, I'm agreeing with Q. Although we didn't have the best experience on the Venezia by far, out of all of the carnival cruises we've taken and the tea times that we have indulged in, the one on the Venezia has been number 1. Here's the tour of our room 11398 on the Carnival Jubilee. You come in, and these are the closets. Plenty of closet space here. 2 closets. Open up one closet, and there's a safe, and they have those wire baskets that you can pull out. So moving on into the space, they have shelving. And there's a cooler. People call it a cooler, but ours was like a refrigerator. It got out things cold. There are the dresser drawers. Come over here. This is the sleep out sofa that pulls out. It smelled like dog, y'all. This is a little bench that you can sit on. You can put stuff in if you want to. These are the outlets. They have USB outlets, plenty of outlets for your electronic devices. Beside the bed, they have the pull-out reading light. Also, they have USB chargers there to charge up maybe your phone, and a little place where you could put it on a ledge. It's a big television there, nice television size, nice queen size bed. On the other side, there's also the light and the USB. We had a balcony, so the balcony is a nice space for the balcony, 2 chairs and a table. So yes, this is 11398. It's a nice size room. Thermostat that you could adjust, and also a little things where you can hang up your lanyards. The bathroom, nice. It wasn't spacious. The shower was spacious with the shower door. We enjoy that.